In this video, I'm going to discuss my final thoughts on this application. So the first thing is there might be some bugs in this application. Maybe you want to include some other features. As this is a public project, so you can contribute to this by yourself as well. So if you come to my GitHub file, the URL is also shared in this playlist. So if I go to connect me, um, what I'm trying to say is like you can contribute yourself as well. We have these features currently, and if you think like there is a feature that you think can be included but you don't want to include it, I would like request to come here and open a pull request if someone else wants to add that feature, so that they have that feature listed in the pull request. You can write that like create an issue for that, like discuss with other people and things like that. And also I also think like some of the things that I think can be added, and one of that is like currently we are only like filtering the images, right? But by using the Google image processing library, or there is something like that which can be used to add like to filter the images as well. So let's say Google image processor or something like that. Image processing, as you can see, this can be used to process images as well, just like we are using their public API to process the text and look for the bad words and filter where like is there any bad words in the given text content or not. Another thing is like maybe we have issue in the recommendation, like create a simple algorithm, like pretty simple, and just pick up some random and customize it based on the user trends and show that in the UI. So maybe you can customize that as well. Also this thing here, as you can see, if I change the settings, let's say some different color, different background, different menu position and things like that, they are static to this the like they just change it, and it's not saved anywhere in, so that if I refresh the page, it's gone. So if you like if you want, you can add that feature as well. If I change this is my favorite color, right? So even if I refresh the page, even if I open this application in another device, this should be the same color. Even like we can do that by like storing this data in the database, but somehow as I was working on this, you might have seen like I did not find that quickly, so I leave it as it is. But that is the possibility that this can be added. Another thing is if we go to search, let's say hello world. Here we are only searching for posts, right? But if you go to Facebook, let's go to facebook.com. You might have seen like you can search for people, you can search for groups, pages, and all those things, like in one part. So like if you come here, you can search for like anything. If I search for the world and if I hit enter, it's going to return the posts as well as um, peoples, as you can see, videos and those things. Videos also included in our but as you can see, different peoples and those things. So that is also the possibility. Maybe we can add like suggestions, maybe we can track the user queries, like if you just if you just click on this, maybe we can display the top 10 searched queries in this application and display that, so that if I instead of typing, I can directly pick that and search in the application. Another thing is like we are only displaying the notifications of a friend request and those things in the UI, right? Like we are displaying that in the notification section. Instead you can send this in an email as well. You might have seen like on Facebook, whenever like if you look at your email and you have registered or linked to your Facebook profile, you might have seen a lot of emails coming in. User has sent you a friend request, your user we liked your post, you might know this person and something like that. So that is also the possibility that can be added in this application. Also if we go to the explore, as you can see, currently we are only searching for the name, right? But let's say I come to the application and I want to explore users. Maybe we can add age restriction, maybe we can add like country based searching, like a filter kind of thing. And maybe we can like add a filter for only male and female. Maybe we can add like for a specific religion or something like that. So that is also the possibility. And the same for the groups and pages, like I want to explore only the groups inside this country and that country, and something like that. Also like here in the settings, we have the help desk section. As you can see, the logout option is right here. Maybe we can add that right here as well. And if you click on this, it's going to show that, and you can log out. And I have shared the template, so you can explore that by yourself as well. Also, this is just a client side cover, right? It's been like 40 plus videos, and we just cover the client side. So if you want, like, we can add the admin side as well, like how administrators, let's think about Facebook, how they are managing our data. So we can like implement that as well. That is also a possibility. Like everything that we store in the database, the administrators can manage it and can see it from the admin side. Can see the analytics, how many users are registered, how many users are online, who is currently active in the application, and those things that can also be added. And for admin panel, we have Filament, which is kind of a quick admin panel generator, which also can be used for this purpose. So if you haven't used it, maybe you want to try that as well. A quick admin panel generator for Laravel applications. Also here, maybe in the create post section, maybe you want to include the uploading of uh, um, music as well as documents. So that is also the possibility that can be included. Also here, we have the search, like the share option, right? um, Maybe we can like improve this as well. We can improve this thing. And if I click on this, it's going to share this on Twitter, the same for LinkedIn and Instagram and Facebook. And it's like currently this is not going to work like that, right? So we can include that as well. It's currently like even if you post a bad post, right? If I go to console kernel.php file, we are not doing anything with the user, right? Like so we can add a restriction, like if you post like let's say administrators will be able to manage that from the admin side. So let's say if as a user, if you post more than 10 posts with the bad content, with the bad words, you will be banned from the application and you will not be able to log into the application. So that is also the possibility that can be added to the application as a feature. And administrators will be able to increase the limit, like how many posts the user will be able to post with the bad content, like so that that user is not banned. And if that limit exceeds, then that will user will be you will be banned. So there is also a possibility. Also on the specific user section, like this is my profile, right? Like I can go to any other user profile. Maybe we can add the feature, like if I go to this user, maybe you have seen on Facebook, like I can view the friend list. So here we are only showing the little bit information, like about information, some small amount of information, but maybe we can include the information that we store in the database. Like there are a lot of data, right? So maybe we can add that as well. Also the friend list, like how many mutual friends do I have, and those things. So these are the possibilities. Maybe the possibilities are a lot, but I think these are the things that can be added. And this is going to be the last video of this series. So thank you for being with me. Here we have the complete code for this application. If you want, you can explore this by yourself as well. And if you want, you think you can improve it, you can improve it and create a like open a full request to the repository, and definitely I will accept that. So that is all. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do. That helps a lot. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.